Have is a verb which we avoid with ing. Are you abusing verb like verb the? You need to know that rules and sentences are together like a couple. We cram the rule. Cram का मतलब क्या होता है? You don't remember the rule. It's okay. Sorry if any teacher feels bad about it. अब आपके पास same information के लिए एक और rule है. What I am teaching you from here is advanced. Have you ever thought that present continuous can be used for these many purposes? It means like you have two cars but you don't know how to drive any of them. I need. Okay, it's okay, ma'am. Come now. You spoiled it already. You know, if somebody listens to this name. So, guys, today we are going to study present continuous. Before we start, can you write down present continuous on your notebook? Because I've seen students writing the spellings of continuous usually wrong. So I also want to see that my brilliant students can write the correct spellings of continuous or not. Very good. Wrong. Kaptanji, too much big spellings, right? Okay, after a lot of efforts, they are still wrong. Very good. Wrong. So none of you were able to write the spellings of continuous correctly. So the students who are watching me, you can also try it on your notebook, but let me tell you the right spellings of continuous. Okay, so we are going to study today present. Any guess? E. Very good. Okay, these are the right spellings of continuous. Clear, everyone? Does anybody know what is present continuous? Krish, yes, I know you are the most brilliant, intelligent, hardworking, smart student who knows everything. So tell me the rule of present continuous.
Subject plus is rm plus ing.
Very good. Is rm plus ing. Let's see it practically. How would it look like? So he said subject plus is mr plus ing. Next, sir. Verb key. Are you abusing verb like verb the, verb key? It seems like you are going to abuse verb. First form of verb. Very good. And last, object. You need to know that rules and sentences are together like a couple. Okay? But they are not what I could say. What we say, the people who are not in relationship. Yes. They are not separate. After relationship, whatever the relationship, you know, the today's youth is, after some time they are separate usually. Okay. So, rules and sentences are not separate. They are, and they are not the couple of like today's youth. They are always together. Okay. They are always together. They never break up. So you need to know that a rule helps us to make a sentence. What do? We cram the rule. Cram का मतलब क्या होता है? रट्टे लगाना. That doesn't work. You are going wrong because you are not understanding it and then speaking it. Because if you have understood it, you come to know that it is not logical. It's not possible. Let me show you why it is not possible. For example, if I am going to use subject, our subject is I. And if anybody does not know about the subjects, do watch my video which I have already uploaded, and I guess I have already taught you. All of you have studied about subjects?
Yes.
Harshji, remember?
Yes.
Very good, sir. So much energy. And others, now what happened to you guys? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, yes. Energetically.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Arsh?
Yes, sir.
So, you remember the subjects? So, I am using one of the subjects, that is I. With I, what should I use? Am. Now, Krish, who is not the Krish, but he has a name Krish, okay, says that we should add here ing. So, we should add here ing. I amming. Then we should add first form of verb. I aming play games. So this is the rule you are saying. Is it right?
No.
Can anyone correct it on your notebook? Or raise your hand if you know the right sentence. What should be the right sentence? I am.
Playing games.
Now you know this is the right sentence. I am playing games. So we have made a mistake here. I am play ing playing games. So where did we go wrong? First we have added subject. From a sentence also we can make a rule. First we may use subject I, then am. If we are using am, is and are also going to be together. For example, when Krish comes, Kaptan also comes. Very good, sir. Keep yawning. Why do you guys not sleep at night? Sorry? You spoiled my mood. Now I'm not feeling like teaching. Suppose somebody is teaching and from where do you get this energy? Kaptan ji, your name is Kaptan. You know, if somebody listens to this name, so much energy that person gets after listening to this name, Kaptan. And Kaptan, yes, Kaptan ji. So second, we are using am. So first we have used subject. Second, we are using am. So is and are also coming there. Then what we are using? Play. Play is first form of verb. So we should not add here ing. We should add here first form of verb. And here we are going to add ing. Okay. Is it clear? And at last we are going to add our object. Subject. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
So here is our rule which we made with the help of a sentence. So in case you don't remember the rule, it's okay. Do you remember a sentence which you are 100% sure that is right? If you are, then from a sentence also you can make a rule. From sentence I made this rule. I subject, am, is, am are first form of verb, ing plus object. What do? We just learn the rules separately and sentences separately. This is why we usually go wrong. I'm not telling you to cram it. Try to understand it. And when you understand it, you will find a logic behind it. And when you find the logic behind it, I'm very sure you will be not going wrong with your grammar at least. Clear? So learn the rule with the sentence and need to know that rules help us to make a correct sentence. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So does anybody know the meaning of I am playing games? Anybody? What is the meaning of I am playing games?
In Hindi.
Can you explain it in English?
I'm playing games. We are playing.
I am playing games means we are playing games. Very good, Krish. Thank you so much for this much clarity. Ma'am, you should focus on your work. Don't worry. Keep writing about your family.
I am playing games.
Done?
Like now I am playing game.
Okay, now
I am.
Now, present continuous, when we think about it, the first thought comes to our mind is something is happening right now. This is the thought comes to our mind, something is happening right now. Is it clear? So guys, I usually go for real examples. Am I playing games right now? I'm not playing any sort of game with you guys. Am I? No. So let's make some real examples. Can I raise this part?
Yes.
So first thing you come to know about present continuous is something is happening right now. But don't worry, today I will tell you something new about also present continuous, which I am very sure you have never ever heard before. Because those things are usually not taught in the schools. But today I will teach you. right? But let's start with the basics only, which you have studied in the schools, and what present continuous is known for. Something is happening right now. So we need to see what is happening right now in the class. Right now, I am teaching. Right? Right now I am teaching. What am I teaching? Okay, tenses I can say. I am teaching tenses or present continuous tense. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So this is happening right now. Now we need to think about the 5 things which are happening right now in the class. What are those 5 things which are happening right now in the class?
Tenses.
I am learning tenses. Very good.
I am listening to you.
Very good. I am listening. Listen is a special verb which is always followed by to. I am listening to you. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yeah.
Is there any other way I can use present continuous? Any guess? Think. Anything else I can use present continuous for? No. You know, nowadays many things are. Any guess? Temporary. For anything which you are doing for a temporary time, you can use present continuous. For example, nowadays I am drinking a lot of energy drinks. Am I drinking right now?
No.
But this is the activity which I am doing for some time. Temporary action means something you are doing for a short period of time. Something you are doing for some time. You can, sometime. You can say currently. With sometime you have to use for also. For some time. Currently. You can say nowadays. Okay, so these words you can use for something you are doing for a temporary time. Can you tell me any activity you are doing for temporary time?
Avoiding fast food.
Very good. Last day only you had naan, right?
Yesterday, sir, also.
Last day means yesterday, sir. Yes. Very good. Keep avoiding. Thank God you are avoiding.
And it was his plan only.
Okay, he was avoiding, that's why he planned it, na? Basically what happens when it comes to English, na, दिमाग से कि आज ना कुछ भी बोल दो. I don't know why teachers teach. Sorry if any teacher feels bad about it, but yes, मेरे स्कूल में भी ये होता था, क्या ना कुछ भी बोलो इंग्लिश में. क्यों? कई बहुत सीरियस ले जाते हैं इस चीज़ को. मेरी एक स्टूडेंट थी, शी वॉज टेकिंग IELTS क्लासेस एंड आई वॉज टेकिंग हर स्पीकिंग. And she told me that I am an international badminton player. I said, seriously? She said, no. I said, why did you say this? कुछ भी बोल दो sir, English है. I said, do you even know the meaning of this, what you are saying? Yeah, I play badminton on my street. She mentioned that I am an international, not even national level, international badminton player who is trying to clear IELTS for moving abroad. So guys, this theory does not work. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कुछ भी बोल दो. You should make sure what you are saying, you should mean it. कल नान खा के आज कह रहे हो I am avoiding fast food, है ना? Doesn't make sense, right? अर्श जी, आपने एग्जाम्पल नहीं बोलनी, ठीक है? ठीक है सर, यही तो चाहिए हमें. हर्ष जी प्लीज स्पीक, यू आर ऑल्सो इन द क्लास. क्या हो जाएगा, गलत हो जाएगा ना मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम. इट्स ओके, आई विल करेक्ट योर एग्जाम्पल्स, बट एटलीस्ट ट्राई. आई एम वेरी श्योर यू आर डूइंग मेनी थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ फॉर अ टेम्परेरी टाइम, राइट? एनीथिंग? यस सर. So there is a doubt, like our very talented student has made one example that sometimes, should I mention your name also, no? Because people will not come to know who is talking here.
Yes.
So Mr. Kaptan has mentioned sometimes I'm drinking alcohol, right? Sometimes I am drinking alcohol, right?
Yes.
So let's see what is the difference here. Or what was your another sentence? Sometimes I am playing.
Go to park.
Sometimes I am playing. Going to park. Right. Now when he is using the word sometimes, I still hear you guys. I can hear you guys. It's okay. Sometimes. Does anybody know the meaning of sometimes and what kind of information we are passing here?
Once a week, doing something like
Here we are talking about repeated action. So guys, when you are talking about something you repeat, sometime means something you repeat not very frequently. Okay, कोई चीज़ आप करते हो बहुत कम या नॉर्मली जैसे सपोज हफ्ते में एक बार कर ली, 2 बार कर ली, तो समटाइम्स आई गो टू पार्क और समटाइम्स आई एम गोइंग टू पार्क. तो मैं यहाँ पे 2 सेंटेंसेस लिखता हूँ, मुझे बताओ क्या डिफरेंस है. समटाइम्स आई गो टू पार्क. Sometimes I am going to park. Can anyone tell me the difference in these 2 sentences? Ranshu, can you get me the cartridge?
second one is present continuous
Second one is present continuous.
and first one is simple.
First one is simple present. Any difference in the meaning? Good. Thank God you have studied simple present. Guys, this thing I taught you when I was teaching you simple present, that subject plus first form of verb s or es plus object we use for repeated action. Earlier we had only present continuous, simple present to talk about repeated action. But now we have one more rule, that is present continuous. अब कोई सोचेंगे कि यार सर इफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट कैन बी यूज फॉर रिपीटेड एक्शन, व्हाई आर वी यूजिंग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस ऑल्सो? फिर क्या होगा, आपके पास एक टी शर्ट है, सारी लाइफ यही टी शर्ट डालते रहोगे? कॉलर वाली टी शर्ट्स कितनी है सर आपके पास? 10 to 12 है. क्यों है इतनी सारी? रिपीट सेम टी शर्ट, सेम टाइप ऑफ टी शर्ट है ना, बट कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, राइट? क्लियर? ऐसे आपके पास सिंपल प्रेजेंट ओके टेंस था जो आपको हेल्प कर रहा था रिपीटेड एक्शन के लिए. अब आपके पास सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए एक और रूल है. जैसे आपके पास सेम टी शर्ट है डिफरेंट कलर में, तो क्या होता है, आप अलग अलग डे में वैसे वेयर कर सकते हो. सपोज आपने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस यूज़ करा, सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज़ करा, अब आप चाहते हो कि मैं टेंस चेंज करना चाहता हूँ, तो आप प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस यूज़ कर लो फॉर द सेम पर्पस. You can use simple language for repeated action, present continuous as well as simple present. Both of these sentences have same meaning. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes.
sir.
Any doubt? Feel free to ask doubts, no problem. Anything you feel यार समझ नहीं आया दोबारा से बता दो, I can tell you again. Anything you feel doubtful about particular part, like this part, how, what I am teaching you from here is advanced. In basic English we learn this much only, but I am telling you some different ways of using present continuous. We can use present continuous for temporary time, we can use it for repeated action, something you repeat, for example sometimes, daily, mostly, rarely, always, right? These kind of information also you can pass with the help of present continuous. Happy? You have one more rule now. Suppose you have one car, you got one more car, would you be happy or sad? Happy, right? So you had only one rule to talk about repeated action. Now you have two rules. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Arsh. But you did not give any example, Arsh. It means like you have two cars, but you don't know how to drive any of them. क्या फायदा सर कार्स का अगर चलानी नहीं आती तो? एग्जाम्पल बताओ. टेल मी एनीथिंग व्हाट यू डू एवरी डे. ऐसी एक चीज़ बताओ जो आप रोज करते हो. ओके, विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. हाँ, आई एम गोइंग टू जिम एवरी डे. इतने गुस्से से क्यों बोल? आई एम गोइंग टू. आई नो जिम पीपल आर यूजुअली लिटिल अग्रेसिव, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव टू बी. आई एम गोइंग टू जिम एवरी डे. आई एम गोइंग टू जिम एवरी डे. Calmly, right? Smiley ji.
Nowadays I'm watching Netflix.
Very good. Are you guys sleeping?
Sorry.
I am asking you, what do you do daily?
I'm watching
every day.
Netflix daily. That was my mistake.
Sir, more noise.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry. Guys, is there any other way of using present continuous? Think.
No.
No. Anybody else? No? Yes, we can use it for. Yes, Nitin? It's okay, say sorry once again.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay, sir. Okay, we can use it for future. I guess Rajvinder ma'am is also trying her best to speak loud. So much disturbance. We can use present continuous for future also. Have you ever thought that present continuous can be used for these many purposes? We can use present continuous for many purposes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, rule will remain the same, but we can talk about the future information. For example, if I am talking about tomorrow, double M or single M?
Double M.
Very
Sir,
good.
single M. Sorry.
Double ROW.
Very good. Tomorrow or after some time. Or next month, next week, whatever you want to say. Like these kind of time clues we can use here. Okay, like we are talking about future now. Tomorrow I am making some new plans. Tomorrow I am making some new plans. Tomorrow I am meeting somebody very special. Okay, tomorrow I am meeting somebody who is very special. Is it clear?
Tomorrow I am making videos.
Nice. With me?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Tomorrow
I will, sir. Stop, sir. We are using present continuous for future. Tomorrow I am.
Tomorrow I am wake up.
Tomorrow I am waking up early. Yes.
After some time, I'm joining cooking classes.
Very good. I'm going home. Okay, and it's not I. जैसे कृष्ण का I. It's not I. It's I. I नहीं. I नहीं. I. है ना? I am usually on time. Right? So I. Okay. Yes, sir. Will you eat something at home after this? So how would you say? What do we call that meal which we have in the afternoon? Breakfast, lunch or dinner? Very good, Krish. I am asking him. Let him speak. Yes, sir. Lunch. So how can you say this with the help of this? After this class, I will. I am. Very good.
Having begun not
Have is a verb which we avoid with ing. So you can use here a better verb that is taking. Okay, it's okay, ma'am. Come now. You spoiled it already. It's okay. Everybody is spoiling. Nitin also did it. Rajvinder also did it. So what's the matter? No problem. Now I am used to it. Right? So you can use a verb taking. After the class, I am taking my lunch. Right? Yes, please. Anyone? Any example?
After some days, I am joining PTE classes.
Very good. I'm waiting.
Next week, I buy new clothes.
I buying
I am buying.
new clothes. Let me also know because I also want to do shopping.
Okay, sir.
Yes. I want to wear something good for something special.
wants.
Not like that way. Okay. I am good. Maybe I will have my seminar in a college. Yes. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
So repeat after me. If you like this video,
Share,
Subscribe.
like, comment, share, subscribe.
Thank you, sir.
And
Share.
bell icon. What we get.
if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and if you are watching it on Instagram, maybe it is not going to be possible, but if you are watching any of my reels on Instagram, then follow me also. Plus, don't forget to share some examples in the comment box. Thank you so much, everyone.